You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name of French origin. This was a request from a viewer. Thanks for your suggestion. In French is the question, how do you pronounce this? Well, the D is silent for sure. Now, in academic French, it would be said Lillard, because I-double-L comes down to the sound of a Y, so Lillard. But it could be also said as Lillard, pronouncing the L's as well. It is possible. Some words and some names, even though they have an I before a double L, sometimes in French you do pronounce the L, so it is possible. So I can't be absolutely sure. I think it can be pronounced two ways, Lillard or Lillard. I hope this helps. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.